Hey y'all, Blanche here. How's it going today? Well, today I'm coming to you makeupless with a different kind of tutorial. You all have asked for it and I finally recorded an earring making tutorial. And this is the pair of earrings that we are going to make today. They are made basically from parts of lots of other earrings. And they are clip, but they're not pierced, but you could certainly make them pierced if you like. If you want to see how I made these earrings, definitely keep watching. Okay, let's get started. I've already got my parts laid out here. You're going to use a pair of earring clips, some earring parts, a small jump ring, a large jump ring, and then another little part that I got off of another pair of earrings, and a couple pairs of needle nose pliers. You're going to open the large jump ring, and then using the pliers, put the large disc on it, just like so. And then you're going to take the small jump ring and open it with the pliers, and put on the little connector part with the little stone on it, and then put the part with the feathers on it in the little ring, and then pry that closed with both pairs of pliers, just so it doesn't fall apart. And now you're going to take the ring on that at the top, and you're going to put it all together on the jump ring that has the large disc on it, so that it hangs down in front. And you may have to twist your little connector part, see how it's like a little figure 8 shape, so that it hangs straight, but I didn't have to on this pair. And then I'm going to take the earring clip and hang it from the same large jump ring, and make sure that when you put it all together that the earring clip is on straight and that it's not twisted and everything hangs forward. And that's pretty much it. That's how I do all of my earrings, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.